Yeah, so in the data preparation stage, once we prepare the data, once we have cleansed the data and prepared it for further analysis, that's when the modeling phase starts. That is, this is the core of the AI systems, which is all to do with the development of the algorithms, analysis of the data, and maybe even visualization. So there is also a visualization layer which comes in after the modeling stage. And then there is evaluation, where we look at the accuracies of the models, we look at the error, we look at precision and accuracy and various other metrics, which tell us how efficient the algorithms have been in learning the data, the patterns, the underlying patterns of the data. And then once we are satisfied with, say, the accuracy values, we deploy the systems in real life. And this deployment doesn't stop at just once deploying those models. Right? There is also a need for retraining the models, especially machine learning models, as and when we receive more and more data. So this continuous learning of the models is also an important criterion when it comes to deployment. So on the right hand side, you see a diagram which depicts what it takes in order to scale AI systems in a real world. Right. So if you look at the picture, there is one small little box in black which says ML code. Right. It's the smallest box. So, which means that it is to say that the underlying models is just one part of the AI system, although that is the core. But the surrounding infrastructure is very complex, and it is absolutely necessary for any success of AI systems. So, if you look at all the other boxes, they say configuration, data collection. So, like I said, without data, there is no AI. Feature extraction, which is to do with all the extracting out the relevant features for the analysis, data cleansing, etc. And we also need process management tools, more like the versioning tools, machine resource management, the infrastructure, the compute, like the cloud or the edge, in compute infrastructure, the data verification. So making sure that the quality of data is good, analysis tools, the infrastructure, and monitoring. So monitoring would also include the continuous, the CI/CD pipelines, the continuous learning of the AI systems, etc. in real world. So yeah, the gist is that ML code is just one part of the entire ecosystem of AI, but the surrounding infrastructure is quite complex. So this is just another video which kind of gives a very good picture of how the entire end-to-end pipeline for the data and AI systems work. So there may be multiple data sources, like I said, and then we have to extract and transform and load all these into one common data loader or data source. That's where the data lake comes into picture, where all the data is stored, and then the raw data is pre-processed and then prepared for the analysis. And that is when all the analysis, ML development, the data visualization, and the CI/CD for AI can begin.